How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Launch Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Select Time Management from the menu. You'll see a breakdown of how much time you've spent on Instagram. At the bottom, tap on Sleep Mode. To activate it, toggle the Sleep Mode option at the top. Choose the specific days and times you want the sleep mode to be activated. Just like so. Once you've set your preferences, tap on Save at the bottom. And that's it.